Welcome back to my channel Rajguru Chemistry. Today in this video we are going to discuss the topic of nomenclature of bicyclo, tricyclo and spiro compounds. First of all we see the nomenclature of cyclic compounds. We should know that cyclic compounds nomenclature and total number of carbon atoms in this compound is 1, 2, 3. The parent hydrocarbon is propane, so it is named as cyclopropane. This one is the cyclobutane. This compound is named as cyclopentane. It is cyclohexane. It is named as a cycloheptane and it is cyclooctane. Now let us see the nomenclature of bicyclic and tricyclic compounds. And finally we will discuss nomenclature of spiro compounds. Okay. What are the rules following bicyclic and tricyclic compounds? The thing is, substituents is the first. And bicyclo or tricyclo. If the compound is bicyclic compounds, it is written as bicyclo, or the compound is tricyclic compounds, it will be written as tricyclo. Then square bracket is opened and closes square bracket. Within the square bracket, the bridging carbon is written as the descending order. For example, 4, 3, 2, 1 and so on. Then principal chain and primary suffix and main functional group suffix name. Principal chain is meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex and so on. Primary suffix is ane, that is alkane is named as ane. Ene, alkene is named as ene, alkyne is named as ine and diene, etc. Example 2-chloro bicyclo 2,2,2-oct-5-amine. It is an example for IUPAC name for bicyclo compounds like this. The structure of the compound is, it is a bicyclo compounds. This bicyclo compounds, first of all, we see where is the bridge is present. The bridge is the one, it is a bridge between the two cyclic compounds. The numbering used to assign substituents or functional groups begins from the bridgehead position, proceeds along the longest arm to the bridgehead, and continues along the next longest arm. The bridgehead position is selected is one that is close to the carbon bearing functional group or substituent. So it is a bridgehead carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The parent hydrocarbon is 8. So it is octa. The number is started from the bridgehead along the bicyclic compounds and then lost the written number of bridgehead between the carbon. We see this compound. This is a bicyclo compounds. In this compound, it is a bridgehead position. Bridgehead carbon between the two cyclic compounds. In this side is a 1 carbon arm. In this side is 1 carbon arm. These two are connected between the bridgehead. Next, in this compound, it is a bicyclo compound. The bridgehead position is, it is a bridgehead position, bridgehead carbon. This side is only 1 carbon arm. This side 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon arm. So it is named as the 4, 1, 0. Why written as 0? Because in between the bridgehead carbon there is no carbon atom is here. So 4, 1, 0 within the square bracket. Now we talk about the some bicyclic compounds with IUPAC name. The IUPAC name for this compound, first of all we have to find out the bridgehead carbon. It is a bridged carbon. Between the bridged carbon there is no carbon atom. So right side is the 2 carbon connecting and this side 2 carbon atom are connecting. We can return the number from one bridged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number is continuously written the cyclic compounds. Lastly we have to return as the bridged between carbon. So this compound is written as bicyclo 2, 2, 0. Parent hydrocarbon is number 6, so it is hexane. Bicyclo 220 hexane. Number is started from which side of the cyclic compounds have higher number. That side will be continuously written the number. It is a bridged position. 1, 2, 3. This side is the 3 carbon atom connecting. This side 2 carbon atom are connecting. So number is started from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Parent hydrocarbon is heptane. So the IUPAC name for this compound is bicyclo 320 heptane. Next, in this compound, it is a bridged position. This side is 3 carbon atom. This side is also 3 carbon atom. So it is written from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Parent hydrocarbon is octane. Bicyclo 330 octane. And next, in this compound, it is a bridged position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the decane. Bicyclo 440 decane. Next, in this compound, it is a bicyclo compounds. It is a bridge between two cyclic compounds or combined with the bridge. So, where is number is written? Longest chain is this is the longest chain. So number is written from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lastly we have written the 7 in between the bridge. So parent hydrocarbon is heptane. So the IUPAC name for this compound bicyclo 3,1,1 heptane. Next, in this compound, it is a bridged carbon. Between the bridged, 2 carbon atom are connecting. So this is the longest chain. So it is named as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. It is a octane. Parent hydrocarbon is octane. So it is named as bicyclo 3, 2, 1. The number is written in descending order. Highest number is first and then lowest number and then lowest number. When close the square bracket is closed, then parent hydrocarbon is written. In this compound is a bicyclo compounds. It is a bridged position. 2 bridged carbon connecting with 1 carbon atom. So this is the longest chain. So number is written from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Decane. Parent hydrocarbon decane. Bicyclo 4, 1, 2, 3, 3. 1 carbon is connecting. So 1. Bicyclo 431 decane. It is a bridged position. The number is lowest number from lowest number to the substituent. This side is entering the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Highest number is the substituents. So it is not written as. So number is putting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 7 position 2 substituents are present. In 2 position 1 substituent is present. So the IUPAC name is 2,7,7 trimethyl bicyclo 3,1,1. One is this connecting carbon, another one is this connecting carbon. Parent hydrocarbon is 7, so named as heptane. 2,7,7 trimethyl bicyclo 3,1,1 heptane. It is a bridged carbon. Bridged carbon, 2 carbon atom are linked. This side is a 1, 2, 3. This side is a 1, 2. So numbering is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because this side is the longest chain. 8 and 9. 9 is the nonane. The compound is written as bicyclo 3,2,2 nonane or nonane. In this compound, the bridged is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between the bridged, 3 carbon atoms are connected. Longest chain is the this side. This is the lowest chain. So numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. IUPAC name for this compound bicyclo 4,3,3 dodecane. Dodecane is the parent hydrocarbon is 12. So it is dodecane. In this compound, it is a bridged carbon. 2 bridged carbon are connecting with 1 carbon atom. This side is the 2 carbon, this side is the 2 carbon. So numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Bicyclo 2,2,1 heptane. Next in this compound, it is a bridged. Near the substituent is named first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bicyclo 2,2,1 hept 2 amine. 2 amine. In this compound, it is a bridged position, is a main functional group. So numbering is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th position, one substituent is present, that is 8-chloro bicyclo 4,2,0 oct-2-ene. Next in this compound, it is a bridged position. It is a functional group. So near the functional group, number is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7. At 7th position, 2 substituents are present, and 5th position, one group is substituent. Methyl group is substituent. 1,5,7,7 tetramethyl bicyclo 2,2,1 hept-2-one. In this compound, it is a bridged position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 2-chloro 6-methyl bicyclo 2,2,2-octane. In this compound, it is a bicyclo compound. It is a bridged position. It is a longest chain. The bridged position is selected is one that is close to the bearing functional group or substituents. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Parent hydrocarbon is nonane. 3 bromo bicyclo 4,2,1 nonane. Next, in this compound, it is a bridged position. It is a substituent hydroxyl group. It is a bromine substituent group. COOH is a main functional group. So near the bridged position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 bromo 10 hydroxy bicyclo 4,4,0 decane 3 carboxylic acid. Bridged position is selected is one. It is close to the carbon bearing functional group or substituents. It is a substituents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So parent hydrocarbon is heptane. 7,7-dimethyl bicyclo 2,2,1 heptane 2-all. Next in this compound, it is a bicyclo compound. Cyano group is a substituent group. It is a bridged position. Longest chain is the here. It is a diene. So it is numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7,7-dicyano bicyclo 4,1,0 hept-2,4-diene. In this compound, it is a bridged position. It is named as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 decane. Bicyclo 440 decane. In this compound, it is a Bridgegate position. It is a functional group. So naming is 1, 2, 3, 4 bicyclo 110 butane 2-one. In this compound, number is here from nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is a Bridgegate position. Between the Bridgegate, here nitrogen is the Bridgegate. Between two carbon atom are connecting. So written as diacetyl bicyclo 2,2,2-octane. Numbering is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Two substituents are present. 7,7-dimethyl bicyclo 2,2,1 heptene. Next we will see the nomenclature of tricyclic compounds. It is a tricyclic compound. It is a Bridgegate position. Bridgegate carbon. There is no connecting carbon. Tricyclic compounds are connected this bridge. So number is written from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Tricyclo. Open a square bracket. Between the bridge, this side is two carbon atom are connecting. This side is two carbon atom are connecting. And this side is the two carbon atom are connecting. 0 is there is no carbon atom between the Bridgegate. So it is written as 0 octane. Parent hydrocarbon is 8. In this compound, it is a Bridgegate position. 3 rings are connecting with this bridge. So numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Tricyclo 2,2,1,0 heptane. In this compound, it is a Bridgegate position. 3 cyclic compounds are connected. One is the substituent are present in this position. So numbering is from, it is the longest carbon chain. This is the lowest carbon chain. The Bridgegate position is selected is one that is close to the carbon bearing substituents are functional group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 2 bromo tricyclo 3,2,2,0 nonane. In this compound, it is a Bridgegate position. 2 Bridgegate carbon are connecting with 2 carbon atoms. So number is from 1. This is the longest chain. So number is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 is the dodecane. Tricyclo 4,2,2,2 dodecane. In this compound, it is a main bridge. This is also a bridge. It is a sub-bridge. These 2 carbon atom in the superscript, the connecting carbon is 2 and 5. 2, and 5. It is a sub-bridge. Connecting carbon atom is 2 to 5. In this compound, it is a tricyclo compounds. It is a main bridge. It is a sub-bridge. Longest chain is this side. Lowest chain is this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is undecaned parent hydrocarbon. Tricyclo 4, 3, 1, 1. It is a sub-bridge. The sub-bridge is connecting between the position of 2 and position of 5. So it is written as superscript of 1, 2, 5 and decane. In this compound, it is a main bridge, it is a sub-bridge, superscript of the 0 written as 2, 4. 2, 4 is the connecting carbon atoms, the position of 2 and 4. In this compound, it is a main bridge, it is a sub-bridge, longest chain is this and this is the lowest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 carbon atoms are present. It is a tetradecane. Right side the bridge gate, 8 carbon atoms are connecting. This side, 4 carbon atoms connecting. Between the bridge, no carbon atom. In the main bridge, in the sub bridge, there is no carbon atom connecting. So, superscript of the 0, position 3 and 8 are connecting between them. In this compound, it is a main bridge, it is a sub bridge. Longest chain is this side, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Main bridge is the connecting of 1 and 5 position. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 carbon is connecting the bridge gate 1 and the sub bridge is also connecting 1 carbon atom. The superscript of the 1 is 3, 7. 3, 7 is means connecting the position of 3rd carbon and 7th carbon is a sub bridge. In this compound, it is a main bridge. Longest chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Octane, tricyclo, 3, 2, 1. It is a sub-bridge. Sub-bridge position is 2 and 4. So, 0, 2, 4, octane. In this compound, this is the main bridge. This is the sub-bridge. Longest chain is this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Lastly, the number is secondary bridge 18. 18 is octadecane. Tricyclo 9, 3, 3, 1, 1, 11 octadecane. 1, 11 is the 1 and 11 is the sub bridge. In this compound, it is a main bridge. Main bridge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 is the heptane. Tricyclo 2, 2, 1. It is a sub bridge. The number on the subgroup is lowest number is first and then highest number. Parent hydrocarbon is heptane. In this compound, it is a main bridge. It is a main bridge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7. Tricyclo 2, 2, 1, 0, 0, 2 and 6. It is a sub bridge. In this compound, it is a main bridge. It is the longest chain. It is the lowest chain. The number is written from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the octane. 4, 2, 0, 0, 1, 3 octane. It is a sub bridge. It is a main bridge. Cyclic compounds is finished. Now let us see the nomenclature of spiro compounds. A spiro compound is named by prefixing the word spiro to the name of the parent hydrocarbon. The parent hydrocarbon is chosen by counting the total number of carbon atoms of both the rings. The numbers in square bracket show the number of carbon atoms on either side of the common carbon atom between two rings. The numbering begins from the ring atom next to the spiro atom and proceeding first around the smaller ring and then to the spiro atom and finally around the large ring. The number within the bracket are arranged in the increasing order of their size. When bigger size ring is numbered, the functional group if present, double bond and the substituent should get minimum number of carbon atoms as per priority order. One difference is between spiro compounds and tricyclic and bicyclic compounds. In cyclic compounds, cyclic groups are connected between a bridgehead carbon atom. But in spiro compounds, two rings are fused in one carbon atom. This compound is also called as the spiro compounds. It is one of the cyclic compound. It is another cyclic compound. These two cyclic compounds are connected with one carbon. This type of compound is the spiro compound. This carbon is also named as spirocarbon. Then how will it is written as? First the name spiro. Smallest ring is numbering first and then continuing the highest number of ring compound. So smallest ring is the 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Parent hydrocarbon is 7. Lowest ring the number of carbon is 2. Highest ring the number of carbon is 4. Heptane. Like this compound, it is a spiro compound. This carbon is a spirocarbon. Smallest ring is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spiro 2, 5 octane. In this compound, it is the smallest ring, it is the biggest ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Spiro 2, 4, close the bracket, hepta 4, 6 diene. Parent hydrocarbon is 7, hepta 4 and 6, double bond is present, so 4, 6 diene. In this compound, it is a spirocarbon. These two rings are same, so whether it is named this side or this side also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Parent hydrocarbon is pentane, spiro 2, 2 pentane. In this compound, it is a smallest ring, it is a largest ring. The number is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The IUPAC name for this compound 2-methyl spiro 4, 5 deca 1, 6 diene. In this compound, it is a smallest ring, it is a largest ring. The numbering is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will be written as spiro 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 decane 6 one. The rule for the nomenclature of spiro compounds: substituent is first and then named as spiro, open a square bracket, increasing order of carbon atom, then close a square bracket, parent hydrocarbon and functional group. If you like this video, please like and share with friends. Do subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.